Our planet teems with secrets so extraordinary they often defy belief. Nature is wilder than you think. Elephants mourn their dead, and there's a lake in Africa that can turn animals into stone, realities that reveal the hidden wonders of our world. Today we're diving into 10 unbelievable facts about animals, earth, and nature, phenomena that challenge our understanding and deepen our appreciation for life. Prepare to have your perceptions shifted and your curiosity ignited. This is Did You Know That? Join us as we peel back the layers of the ordinary to reveal the truly extraordinary. Elephants, those magnificent creatures that roam our planet, possess a depth of emotion that continues to astound us. Their capacity for feeling, for connection, and for grief challenges our very understanding of the animal kingdom. We often think of them as simply large and powerful, but beneath that exterior lies a complex and sensitive soul. When a member of the herd dies, whether from natural causes, illness, or the cruel hand of poaching, the others gather in a silent, protective circle, a somber assembly of giants paying their respects. It's a ritual of mourning, a display of solidarity that speaks volumes about their intricate social bonds. They approach the fallen member, gently touching the body with their trunks, as if offering a final caress, a silent farewell. This tactile exploration seems to be a way of understanding, of processing the loss. This is not fleeting curiosity. It's not a mere investigation of an unusual object. It's a prolonged, focused vigil that can last hours or even days. The herd will remain standing guard, as if unwilling to leave their loved one behind. They create a space of mourning, a sanctuary of sorrow. Elephants have been observed returning to the exact spot, sometimes years later, where a loved one perished, years later, a testament to their long memories and enduring grief. Upon finding the remains, they pause to touch the bones with their trunks, a poignant act of remembrance. Their grief is palpable, a tangible presence that hangs heavy in the air. It's a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life, of the bonds that tie these magnificent creatures together. This extraordinary behavior challenges our understanding of animal consciousness, forcing us to reconsider the boundaries of emotion and intelligence in the natural world. Of animal consciousness, prompting us to ask deeper questions about the nature of sentience. It compels us to recognize the rich inner lives, the complex emotional landscapes of these gentle giants, and to acknowledge their capacity for profound feeling. Their mourning urges us to treat them not as mere commodities or sources of ivory, with the respect and empathy they deserve, and to protect them and their habitat for generations to come. Deep within the heart of Tanzania, nestled amidst the stark beauty of the East African Rift Valley, lies Lake Natron. This isn't your typical serene lake. It's a place of otherworldly beauty and potent danger, a landscape painted in surreal hues of red and pink. Its waters are not life-giving but rather a caustic, alkaline soup, so extreme that it can preserve animals that become submerged within it, encasing them in a mineral tomb, making them appear eerily turned to stone, frozen in their final moments. The lake's extraordinarily high alkalinity, a pH that can reach levels rarely seen in nature, is caused by a unique combination of mineral-rich hot springs bubbling up from the earth, constantly feeding the lake with dissolved salts and minerals. This, coupled with intense evaporation under the scorching African sun, creates an environment so harsh and unforgiving that it is deadly to most creatures venturing too close. Animals that are unfortunate enough to fall into its grasp quickly become encrusted with a thick layer of sodium carbonate and other minerals, their bodies undergoing a bizarre process of calcification, transforming them into haunting, lifelike statues preserved for eternity. Yet, despite its deadly nature, life tenaciously persists. Specialized extremophiles, microorganisms uniquely adapted to thrive, and remarkably, lesser flamingos breed here, drawn to the lake's unique properties. They build their nests on the temporary salt islands that form as the water evaporates. Lake Natron is a paradox, a testament to nature's ability to create both destruction and life, a place of death and preservation existing side by side, a morbid gallery of calcified remains. But it's also a cradle, a vital breeding ground for uniquely adapted life that has found a way to flourish in this seemingly impossible environment. It's a haunting wonder of the natural world, a place that challenges our understanding of what life can endure. Nature's extremes can be both beautiful, painting the landscape in breathtaking colors, and terrifying, a stark reminder of the power and indifference of the natural world. Sloths, known for their slow pace, hide an astonishing secret. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 40 minutes. Unlike dolphins, sloths slow their heart rate to a third of normal, drastically reducing oxygen consumption. This adaptation allows them to cross rivers or evade predators despite their vulnerability on land. Their slow movement belies a remarkable internal control system. Sloths are masters of energy conservation and unhurried respiration. In the animal kingdom, true resilience often lies in the most unexpected forms. Nature equips its creatures with hidden talents perfectly honed for survival. Beneath the forest floor lies the wood wide web, a vast network of mycorrhizal fungi connecting trees. Through this network, trees share water and nutrients, supporting each other in times of need. The fungi also transmit chemical signals, warning neighboring trees of pests or disease. This hidden communication transforms forests into complex, cooperative superorganisms. The wood wide web reveals a level of cooperation and communication that is truly awe-inspiring. Forests are not just collections of trees but interconnected communities. The natural world is far more nuanced and interconnected than we often perceive. In tropical forests, a chilling drama unfolds. Cordyceps fungus turns ants into zombies. The fungus infects an ant, manipulates its behavior and compels it to climb to a precise spot before killing it. A fruiting body erupts from the ant, releasing spores to infect others. This is nature's real zombie apocalypse, a microscopic puppeteer ensuring its survival. The cordyceps fungus is a master of manipulation, turning its host into a spore dispersal platform. It's a stark example of nature's bizarre evolutionary arms races. Sometimes the struggle for life is stranger than fiction. The Amazon rainforest is not just a passive recipient of weather, it actively shapes its own climate. Through evapotranspiration, billions of trees release water vapor, creating flying rivers of moisture in the atmosphere. This process generates rainfall, sustaining the forest and influencing weather far beyond South America. The Amazon is a critical regulator, pumping life-giving moisture across a continent. Deforestation disrupts this cycle, threatening the rainforest's survival and global climate stability. The Amazon's self-sustaining system is a marvel of ecological engineering. Protecting it is vital for our planet's future. In the heart of Alaska's seemingly uninhabitable frozen wilderness, where winter's icy grip holds sway for many months of the year, an extraordinary phenomenon unfolds. The wood frog survives the unimaginable, being frozen solid, appearing lifeless, and yet clinging to life. As temperatures plummet far below freezing, a remarkable transformation begins within this tiny amphibian. Incredibly, up to 70% of its body water turns to solid ice, a process that would be fatal to most other creatures. Ice crystals form both inside and outside the cells. Its breathing ceases, all movement stops, and its heart stops beating altogether, entering a state of suspended animation. The secret to this incredible feat lies in a natural antifreeze, high concentrations of glucose, a simple sugar, flooding its system, protecting its cells and tissues from the otherwise devastating effects of ice crystal formation. This prevents cellular damage. But as the grip of winter loosens and spring finally arrives, the seemingly impossible happens. The frog thaws, its heart miraculously restarts, and it resumes its life, hopping and hunting, as if its deep freeze was nothing more than a long winter's nap. This incredible resilience is far more than just a survival trick. It's a profound adaptation, honed over millennia, allowing the wood frog to thrive in environments that would kill most other amphibians. The wood frog's survival is not just a testament to nature's ingenuity, but a symbol of life's tenacity. It demonstrates that life, against all odds, finds a way to persist, even in the face of the harshest conditions imaginable. Sometimes, the most unassuming creatures, the ones we might easily overlook, are capable of performing the most miraculous feats of survival, reminding us of the boundless potential hidden within the natural world. Archaeologists have found 3,000-year-old honey in Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible. Honey's longevity comes from its low moisture content and high acidity, making it inhospitable to bacteria. Bees add an enzyme that produces hydrogen peroxide, further preserving the honey. This golden nectar is more than a sweetener, it's a marvel of natural chemistry. Honey's near immortality is a testament to nature's simple, effective designs. It's a food engineered by insects to last through the ages. The discovery of ancient honey is a delicious reminder of nature's ingenuity. In some oceans, the water glows with ethereal light bioluminescence, nature's own light show. Microscopic dinoflagellates emit flashes of light when disturbed, creating dazzling displays. This cold light is produced through a chemical reaction involving luciferin and luciferase. For plankton, it's a defense mechanism, startling predators or attracting larger ones. Bioluminescence is found in many marine creatures, each using it for communication, camouflage, or predation. Witnessing glowing oceans is a magical, immersive experience. The glowing seas remind us of the hidden wonders thriving beneath the waves. Kangaroos, icons of Australia, are built for forward motion. They cannot move backwards. Their powerful legs and tail make hopping energy efficient but prevent reverse movement. This unique trait inspired their place on Australia's coat of arms, symbolizing progress and resilience. The kangaroo's anatomy dictates constant advance, a living emblem of moving forward. Sometimes biology itself becomes a metaphor for perseverance. The only way for a kangaroo is forward, one powerful leap at a time. Nature's quirks often carry deeper meaning. Crows possess remarkable intelligence and memory, especially for faces and grudges. They can recognize individual humans after a single negative encounter, remembering for years. Crows share this knowledge with others, leading to collective responses against perceived threats. This social learning is a sophisticated defense mechanism. Their ability to remember and communicate highlights advanced cognitive skills. Next time you see a crow, remember, you're being watched by a keen observer. Acts of kindness or hostility are never forgotten in the crow's world. From grieving elephants to zombie ants, nature is full of incredible, almost unbelievable stories. We've explored petrifying lakes, talking trees, breath-holding sloths, frozen frogs, immortal honey, glowing oceans, forward-marching kangaroos, and the sharp memory of crows. Which fact amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. We've only scratched the surface of our world's wonders. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the wild, weird, and wonderful. Until next time, keep exploring and marveling at the world around you.